So as we saw in last few examples, reading and writing programs directly in machine code is definitely not that easy. And as number of instructions increase, it is practically impossible to remember machine codes for each and every instruction. And today's processors can have hundreds or even more instructions. And even if you use a lookup table, the process of us writing a program is too slow. So let's think of a smarter way to do this. So instead of remembering 76 is equivalent to halt or 47 does addition of A and B, what if we write a program that can take English words such as halt or add B and then convert it to corresponding machine codes for each instruction? Well, that will make our lives much easier. So this human readable version of machine code is what we call the assembly language. And the program which does this for us is called the assembler.